How long are you waiting? How long are you waiting? Don't worry. Don't worry. You have done a lot for me. You have done a lot for me. What the hell you are talking about? What the hell you are talking about? Is anyone here? Is anyone here? How else? How else? Are you happy? Are you happy? I would rather not. I would rather not. Do you understand? Do you understand? What's going on here? What's going on here? I don't care. I don't care. How about? How about? What about you? What about you? Not a single one. Not a single one. See you later. See you later. How absurd. How absurd. From my point of view. From my point of view. How was it? How was it? Hold on a minute, please. Hold on a minute, please. What a surprise! What a surprise! I want to eat something. I want to eat something. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. So what? So what? How genius you were. How genius you were. Do you like flower? Do you like flower? How so? How so? Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Oh, sure. Oh, sure. Well done. Well done. It's only a rumor. It's only a rumor. May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? You got it? You got it? Speak with care. Speak with care. I am really pleased. I am really pleased. Listen to me. Listen to me. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.